About Cristiano, everybody loves Cristiano, and he has a lot of fans.
ونحن في المباريات خارج المملكة العربية السعودية قررنا نريح كريس.
And we decide to get him a rest little bit when we play outside of Saudi Arabia.
محتاجين نحافظ عليه لياقيا.
Because we need to keep his physically,
لا عارفين انه في العراق او في الهند او في هونغ كونغ يعني الجميع يبغى يتصور معه وعنده شعبية كبيرة رونالدو في
I know in Iraq, here in Hong Kong, he has a big popularity. Everybody want to make a photo with him. Everybody want to meet him.
الجميع مهتم فيه.
Everybody is interested in him.
خيرنا بقائه في الرياض.
We choose to keep him in Riyadh.
ويشارك في المباريات
And he participates
للمرحلة القادمة.
and prepare him for the next period. Beginning, I had the opportunity and spoke about the history of Goa with Portugal.
أتذكر وأنا صغير يعني علمونا قرينا في المدرسة.
I remember when I was young in school, they taught us.
تكلمنا على أكبر يعني رجل عظيم اللي هو فاسكو دا جاما اللي هو اكتشف جوا. يعني.
They taught us that Vasco da Gama, one of great men during history, he discovered Goa for the European.
وأنا سعيد لوجودي هون وتمثيل يعني البرتغال.
And I'm so happy to be here representing Portugal and leading a match here against Goa.
Obviously, it's a mix of a very difficult game, but very satisfied to be here. Pleased to receive this kind of teams. It's very good for not only for FC Goa but for Indian football also. But obviously, finally will be 11 against 11, and we will enter in the pitch with the idea to win the game. You need to enter in the pitch with a strong mentality. We know the kind of players that we face tomorrow, but it's a great step. Doesn't matter my reaction. I think it's the decision of the coach. If I am Jorge Jesus, I think in Cristiano is 40 years old. There is a World Cup in the future. He needs to arrive in the best conditions as possible. Then, if I put in that maybe as a journalist you are not thinking about this. If you are in the position of the other coach, for me it's normal. Obviously, everyone here would like that Cristiano, if he can play this game, better. But they have a lot of good players in the squad, not only Cristiano Ronaldo. But obviously Cristiano Ronaldo is the most famous player. But not only foreigners and local players are top players in this team. I think that they won they won every single game in the cup, in the league, in the Asian competition, both games. Then with and without Cristiano.
मजगती स्टेडियमा भायर खंय 600 माईस पुलीस गस्त लायल्या
आणि 650 सुमार स्टाफ डिप्लॉय केल्या आणि ATS, TCR वॅन, पिंक फोर्स, IRBN प्लाटून प्लस आमचे सब डिव्हिजन साऊथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट सगळे धरून ऑल आर्म्ड स्टाफ विल बी डिप्लॉयड एट द गेट्स. चेकिंग ऑफ tickets will be done by management, frisking and checking of people antecedents will be done by us at the gate. Basically 315 gates will be opened as per the management. आणि ताणी म्हटल्या जवळजवळ 16,000 लोक येवपाची शक्यता आसा. अरेंजमेंट्स हॅव बीन डन. ताणे तांचो डिप्लॉयमेंट चार्ट दिल्या. प्रत्येक 2 गेटीचेर एक मॅजिस्ट्रेट डिप्लॉय करतले. CCTV cameras are at place, which is we are having a control room here.
Bureau report, Prudent.